In this video, I'll be showing you how to activate Beacon in Minecraft. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, activating a beacon in Minecraft is the ultimate late game milestone. It's going to require more than just placing the block, because you're going to need to build a specific structure and feed it to sacrifice to get those sweet status buffs. So basically, there's like a 3-step process. The first thing you're going to have to do is build the mineral pyramid. A beacon's not going to turn on unless it's placed on a solid pyramid made of iron, gold, emerald, diamond, or netherite blocks. You can mix and match these blocks. The beacon doesn't really care if the base is ugly, only that it's solid. So there are 4 tiers of pyramids. The more layers you add, the more powers you can unlock when further the effect reaches. So if 50 blocks is going to basically be maximum power. And then also check for sky access. The beacon must have an obstructed view of the sky. So allowed is glass, stained glass, water, and bedrock like the nether ceiling, but do not block the beam. Now, don't use stone, wood, dirt, or any other solid block that'll prevent the beacon from activating. And then there's going to be the activation ritual. So once your beacon is emitting a beam of light into the sky, you're going to need to program it. So right click the beacon block to open its menu, insert a sacrifice, so place 1 iron ingot, gold ingot, emerald, diamond, or netherite ingot into the empty slot at the bottom, and then click a primary power on the left, like haste. And if you have a tier 4 pyramid, you can also select regeneration on the right, or click the 2 icon to make your primary power stronger, like haste 2, and then just click the green check mark, and then your item is going to be consumed, and the buff will then begin.